In this video, we'll show you how to integrate the AMTRON for You 500 and AMTRON for Business 700 into a local network. You have two options to establish the connection. You can connect the Wallbox either via LAN or via Wi-Fi. The connection can be easily established via the configuration interface of the 4Installers app. Let's start with the LAN connection. This requires a network cable running from the router to the Wallbox. The cable can be easily connected using the integrated keystone element inside the Wallbox. Mennekes recommends using a Cat6 cable or higher. Once you've opened the web interface in the 4Installers app, navigate to the Settings tab, then Networking, and finally to Local Area Network. Select LAN as your preferred method of internet access and click Save. By default, the Wallbox is set to DHCP and will automatically receive an IP address once it's connected to the network. You also have the option to assign a static IP address to the Wallbox. Please note that in professional Ethernet networks, for example in large companies, IP address assignment is often managed exclusively by the IT department. Make sure to consult your system administrator before commissioning. If a restart is required, please perform it. The second option is connecting via Wi-Fi. Make sure there is sufficient Wi-Fi coverage at the Wallbox's location. Again, start in the 4Installers app under the tab Settings, then Networking, and finally Local Area Network. Select Wi-Fi as your preferred method of access and scroll down to the Wi-Fi client section to click Connect Wi-Fi. Choose the correct network, enter the password, and click Connect. This process may take a few minutes. If a restart is required, please perform it. Once the LAN or Wi-Fi connection is successfully established, this will be indicated in the Network Status section with a green checkmark next to Connected to the Internet. For more information about our charging systems and their features, feel free to check out our other how-to videos on our YouTube channel.